Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in the lobby, open Settings, and go straight to the Audio tab so you can act. Once there, locate Master and Music sliders and move music down to 0% to stop background tracks immediately. Make sure SFX remains where you want it so game sounds are audible. If you use custom profiles or multiple accounts, apply the same change to each profile. You're doing the essential first step that prevents music from restarting when rounds load. Once done in game, you must confirm system-level audio won't re-enable music. On mobile, open your OS sound settings and mute game or media audio if the in-game slider didn't fully work. On PC or emulator, set the app's output device and reduce media volume, then close overlays like Discord or recording software that can force audio streams. Make sure background apps aren't auto-playing music playlists which can mix into Pubg. This prevents a second. You finish by saving settings and restarting Pubg to verify the music stays off during match load and menus. If music persists, clear the app cache or reinstall. Corrupted settings sometimes reset sliders. Also check your headset or sound driver enhancements. Disable any virtual surround or music detection features that can inject tracks. If problems continue, test with another device or account to isolate whether it's app-specific. This final cycle confirms the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.